Welcome to the introduction. Yeah. I get these bullets flying when I pull the iron. Quit eyeing me, boy, or I pull out the 9. I ain't playing this time, I've had a fucked up day. Hit up my homie Jake, roll up into the bank. Quick, give me the set of keys to the safe. I hope one day to have my own place by the lake, and a bitch by my side that's better than my grades. I got my bullets loaded, waiting to spray. My only moment, don't blow it, no need to start throwing grenades before I blow up in your face. Paper's what I chase, after it, yeah, faster than a leopard. He's got a bad temper cause his dad was never in the picture. Strolling down I-40, chugging down a 40, ignoring the warning signs, blue lights are coming for me. Should I stop, or should I go? The way things are going now, man, I really don't know. My mind's filled with minefields and I feel like I'm about to explode. Yo, man, check it, there it goes. Boy, you know I'm a thug. Run up in your crib, take your kid, hold him hostage with a gun. Yo, I do this shit for fun. Everyone get ready to run before this machete gets swung. It's quite funny, all the haters that doubted me now wanna get down with me, be around me. I'm the king of the shit, somebody put a crown on me. Yeah, welcome to the introduction. Rappers get caught up in the suction cause they suck when I step and rock it, blasting off like a rocket. That music that you rockin', to be honest, sounds like a lot of nonsense. I'm just trying to get my wallet to be too huge to fit in my pocket. So allow me to introduce you to the new and improved artists. They hate now, same faces from the playground. I'm pulling the AK out, so tell the bullies they better stay down before I spray rounds. So cold, my fingers are freezing, so I gotta pull out this heat and get this trigger to squeezing. Don't need a reason to get beefing any day, any season. Believe it, yeah, I mean it. I'ma skip the beginning, rip to the finish. In other words, I'm going straight for the submission. I came to this game to take Kendrick's wifey, girlfriend, and mistress. Now let me admit this, if I get stopped by a cop, I'ma caught the glide, pull it non-stop, trigger lock till his body drops. This fit the vodka, got me swerving side to side in my Mazda. Look down to grab my monster, hit a pedestrian in the Walmart Plaza. Blood hit the windshield, look like I spilled a bowl of pasta. Couldn't see out, next I hit a rocker, slammed on brakes, yanked the steering wheel left, so I missed a toddler coming out, then bam, I ran into the mama. So tell Osama bin Laden that he ain't got nothing on him, cause lyrically I'll bomb ya, I'm a baller. So tell Teresa Palmer, how about you holler back at me, little mama, holla. Hustle in this jungle, fight to stay alive. Tomorrow's never given, any minute you could die. Success is the best revenge, honestly I try. Wipe away your tears, mama don't you cry. One day your son's gonna grow up, spread his wings and then fly, fly, fly.